For watermelon farming to be successful, there are a couple of things you need to adhere to, and you cannot compromise on that, regardless of how professional you are, regardless of the amount of capital you have. And the biggest factor, or the biggest thing you need to have consider, is the land and the preparation of the land. One, where you're farming watermelon matters a lot. The location of your watermelon. If you are in areas with very cold conditions, or the areas that have lower temperatures, in most cases, yes, watermelon grows in those areas and it becomes big. But remember, the command from the market, what the market wants is something sweet and something with a beautiful color inside. In those areas, buyers tend to believe that those areas don't produce sweet watermelons. And it has been proven. So if you are in a cold condition or your land is located in those areas, avoid those areas. Then when selecting your watermelon farming land, go for soil that does not hold water for long period and does not release water at a very high speed. If it releases water, if it's sandy soil and releases water at a very high speed, that means you keep on watering. But if it's hold water for a long period, it becomes a disaster to watermelon farming. As you can see, I'm in a red soil, and this is best for watermelon farming. And this is where we are starting our training. This is where we are starting our watermelon farming, which will be shared via this YouTube channel from the beginning to the end. So select your land, plow your land, and make trenches. Like you can see, I've already made the trenches. These are the trenches that I made with the tractor. I made the trenches, and this just an episode towards preparation, because after this I'm going to show you how I'm preparing these trenches so that it can be suitable for sowing my watermelon seeds. So select the land, and suitable land with a good location and a good soil, sandy loamy soil, the best, like you can see, and you are good to go. That's just a tip. That's just where we are starting, so that we can be better farmers. This is not the first training. This is not the last training. We have other training that will come, 100+ training from this watermelon farming session. Hope you're going to follow. Hope this is not the last time you're watching. If it's your first time that you're watching me, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we can continue learning together. Bye.